Hello and welcome back to Pins and Patience. My name is Jeremy. What you just watched was me following up with one of my final steps of creating these pants, and that was sewing the outside seams, right sides together, of the front and the back. I'm not quite sure if this is going to be the left leg or the right leg yet. That's a bit down the road. But what I did, hopefully you'll be able to see this. Here is the outside seam, measured at 5/8 of an inch or 1/2 centimeter, all the way down along the build, starting of course right at the top of the waist, going right down to the cuff. I'm going to open these up so you can get a better look. Now here we definitely have the seam. It's brought together. It looks neat. It's clean. It's tight. That's how sewing should be. Again, taking time, having patience, and you're gonna make a great product. So as you can see, it's a little bumpy. It's raised here in the middle. What needs to happen now, before I go after putting along the command strap or the command stripe, I'm going to have to press these. I'm going to have to press these seams and get this down as flat can be. And then for the next portion of the video, you'll be able to see where I'm going to be placing the command strap once I have this down.